pissed. Oh, he is pissed.
Come on in, you should have been on time, pussy boy.
Oh, that's fucked up. So pissed.
I wasn't even that late. I was supposed to be out at 8:50.
I've been here since 8. So it's long for me. I've been here for 15 minutes.
That's fucked up. Why are you always early?
I was on time. I said 8 o'clock. I was here at 8 o'clock.
We going places today though. I'm hyped.
Ice.
All that ice in my car.
Right off my wrist.
Damn, dude, stop scraping your wrist on my car.
Thanks, world's perfect.
But we going to a little small town today. There was snow there yesterday. Not even kidding. There was snow there yesterday. So it's not even really that far.
It's really
That's
not.
the thing.
It said, my map said it was an hour and 17 minutes.
Yeah. So
it's 90% like canyon carving.
yeah. So that's not bad. We're gonna go check it out though today.
We need
It's a little
gas.
town called Julian. But we need gas. We gotta get all gassed up. And I've usually always driven through Julian and gone to Lake Cuimaca or whatever the fuck. Yeah, Cuimaca. I don't know, dude. I'm not.
Cuimaca.
Not Spanish.
It's not Spanish.
I don't know what it is, but we're gonna go check it out today. Small town exploring in the Fiesta ST. Maybe there will be snow still. There was yesterday in some parts, so it's gonna be a fun day. That looks like a penis. Yeah, it is a bit brisk out. A bit brisk. That's an understatement. It's cold.
Degrees. It's not that.
42 degrees. It was 34 when I hopped in the shower. I thought I was gonna die. Oh man, that's
That was a 3-wheel.
ST boys are crazy everywhere they go. Oh, BMW boy got a little squirrely. Oh, he's going. Let's see if we can. Oh, he's fast. Oh boy, are we pulling? I can't tell.
I don't think so. It was 100. Yeah, it's 46 degrees.
Yeah.
And our, what's it called? Our viewers on the East Coast are gonna be like, that's fucking nothing!
We'll have to drop the chemtrails down there. We're fucked. The sticker on the back of this FJ says, I like Jeeps, they taste like chicken. What the fuck?
You're just saying a stock Jeep beats just about any FJ. Don't at
Yeah.
Don't fucking at
Day in the life of an ST boy.
This sharp as fuck.
Oh, get fucked. Just an ST thing. This is a closed course.
I don't know how the hell that guy got on there.
Yeah. So nice out. I think this is all just like 40 minutes away. Crazy. Yo, it's a vape fest over there, dude. And it's also 37 degrees and we're not even up there yet, so we'll see. Holy fuck! Fucking tumbleweeds, man. They're everywhere. Dude, we're just trying to kill everything in our path on this road today. Oh, man. We're starting to get a lot more ice down here, so.
We'll probably take it down a notch. It said when it hits 34.
Yeah. But it's starting to get icy. Icy dicey. We'll see.
Let's go!
Oh no, it's 6'9".
Right there, cold of it.
These clouds are literally just sitting in place. I've never seen anything like it, man. That's alien.
I bet we could go up there and touch them.
We could. Alright, apparently Mustang Cruise is 2 days deep. We go out handle all of them. Oh great, we got all the Mustang boys behind us now.
Hey, Ford gang shit, am I right? Am I right?
Ford gang shit, I guess. Alright, well we made it. You know we made it because there's pie everywhere, so. Believe it or not, if you don't make it here earlier in the day, they will run out of pie.
Actually, that's happened.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Imagine driving all the way down here and then you don't get pie. Like, I'm not a big pie guy, I'm more of a cake guy, but like, dirt parking lots, man, gotta love them.
Well, you go slow as fuck.
But
you're low, bro.
yeah, we out here. We're trying to find something for breakfast.
Kind of make your own parking spot here.
Yeah, pretty much. So
pretty sure Dudley serves breakfast.
yeah. So, what does it say right there? Famous bakery. All right,
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to go cop breakfast or something. So. Alright, well we actually struck out this bakery place and then we walked across the street and realized that there's a restaurant over there, so we went. Great service. Smaller towns always have great service. I'm sure those of you who live in smaller towns know that. We're gonna head up the mountain a little bit, so we're gonna see what's up there, see if there's any cool spots or anything. And there's actually a Volkswagen meet here in the same parking lot with like 4 different
some car guys
Volkswagens. Yeah, we're gonna go boost on them. You know we had to do it to them. Interesting wheels. Turning heads. We boosted on them. This is ridiculous.
Some beautiful scenery.
Right? It's beautiful out here. Yeah. Oh wow.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah. These roads are amazing out here. Wow. Alright, well this sucks, but other than that, we gotta hit a few tight twisties pretty quick. Alright, well after being told to slow down by a cop who was walking, we can outrun him, obviously, because he's walking.
We can outrun him on foot too.
Yeah, we seriously, we could. Really nice. This is the part Julian that people think of when you say Julian, pretty much. So, really nice small town. So nice up here. There is a really cool soda fountain place. It's like old school 50s shit, except don't get the soda there, even though that's all they have, because it's dead flat. Yeah.
Let's see what they got in a good old Julian gas.
Yeah. Hey, you want an Essie?
No. You know me, man. I can't
Ain't even
milk.
know. You ain't even know. Alright, you boys already know. Had to cop the Nessie double chocolate. This one's for all 91,000 of you out there. But right now, I don't know. I think we're just gonna find like some cool picture spots or some shit. So just cruise around and see. And then, yeah. Alright, well we found a little picture spot. We can sort of see traffic going both ways, kind of cool. But we're just gonna get a few pictures, maybe even get a few flybys, honestly. This is awesome. Love being out here. Alright, Sam agreed that this would be a pretty cool spot to get a few flyby clips, so that's what he's gonna do. Got a bunch of like weird art out here. Kind of cool though. Maybe get a few pictures of his car lined up right here with the wooden fences. Kind of sick. Alright, if I'm completely honest right now, I have no clue where Sam went. Alright, I think he's coming. So good for a little 4-cylinder. I almost just ate shit right there. But damn. I love Sam's car. I talk shit on it a lot because he's my friend, but I love it and it rips. It absolutely hauls ass on these roads. It's crazy. I want to see him come flying down here and downshift, get a fat backfire or something. Maybe throw one of these rusty ass spike strips at him. There's one little backfire. The whole time in my head I was just thinking like, What if he miraculously somehow understeered and just plowed me full fucking speed?
That would suck ass, but
Yeah, I'd be dead.
I'd upload it for you.
Thanks. I don't know if I get tacos from
I
here,
would
but
not.
yeah, that's
just like Big Bear. Never will I ever buy Mexican food from Big Bear.
Yeah, no.
Sorry. The 318 was here last time.
There's a 318.
That was here the last time I was here.
318. Oh yeah, it's a TI. Oh yeah, that's sick. All right, well me and Sam just went on a rant about 318 TIs. I wasn't recording, but one, they look like Corrados kinda, and then two, the gas cap is so damn low, especially if the car is lower. That's ridiculous. You'll be laying down and pumping gas. Not the most legal thing that we've done, but fuck it. Wow, we took that turn fast, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god, this is totally ST boy stuff. If you're gonna be a bitch and block the road and not stop at any turnout and do 30 miles an hour the whole way, you gotta get past like a bitch.